Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at how to rotate an image. And what you can see here is I have grain densities and some MAD data, and I'd like to compare it to a figure from an older paper where I don't have the original data, only the figure. And I'm going to need to rotate that before I register it, which will be covered in a separate video. So let's load up the image. We'll load waves, and we want an image, and let's go find it, and that is going to be Hamilton. There it is. Open. We'll just do it. Okay, here's Hamilton, the image. Just get rid of that .jpeg to make life easy. Okay, and Windows, New, and Image Plot. Hamilton. And here's a porosity versus density plot from one of his early papers. And I'm going to take that MAD stuff and put it onto this graph. But first we need to rotate it. That's what this instruction is all about. So let's take the cursor right here. And now let's do a right click, go to Style, and say we want the hair. Okay, now if we put this guy right in at the origin of the graph, we can see that we need to do a clockwise rotation to square up the graph. So all we do, go up to CODD functions and go to rotate image. Now, I like to do the rotation in small increments of 1/10 or 2/10 of a degree, because actually these angles are, they look large, but they're actually pretty small. It's probably less than a degree actually. Every time you do a rotation, either backwards or if you over rotate, backwards or forwards, whether you over rotate or under rotate, you're going to blur things a little bit in the image itself. So I just kind of try to approach it slowly. I'm going to try 2/10 of a degree clockwise. There we go. Okay, there's distortions with Xeroxing everything, so none of these are going to be totally accurate, but you can get pretty close. So that's it. That's rotate image. Pretty simple. It'll always rotate the image that's in the top graph, of course. And if you'll go to the image registration video, it will explain how to register this graph and then add those data. That's it.